My boy is hooking us up. Carlos locked in another PPF job right now for a GLE in stealth.
Oh, that's cake right there.
Dog, about to kill it. If anybody needs PPF, hit us up. We're about to fucking kill it. About to take over the industry. We fucked the fucking vinyl game up. We fucked the detail game up. We about to fuck up the PPF game. Fuck with us.
Oh shit. Almost hit me, my boy. Hey.
Is that the regular schedule now, 63? I guess I'll try it out.
That's a bomb ass schedule right there. 63?
Yeah.
We might do 7 to 4. 6 is like too early. You know what I mean? Let's do 7.
Try it out.
Usually 7 to 3, isn't it?
What time? What time do I come?
But look, by like 9 o'clock, she was like,
Before I came at 6 and this was like, why'd you come at 6? You weren't supposed to. I was like, damn.
look at her. She was feeling it today.
We'll go by 5. Let's go by 5.
Hey, what we might need edge prep for is like just like
For nothing, homie. For nothing. We don't use edge prep. Let me tell you my
I had to
schedule
leave.
from
It was
when I was
close.
18 to 24.
Yeah, I did that. Yeah.
I was up at 6.
that was back when 1952.
2018. 2008. 2008. I know. We fast forward 8.
Damn.
I used to be up by 6, at the gym by like 6:15, worked out to like 7:40, took a quick shower. My shift was from 8 to 6 or 8 to 5 at the gym.
That sounds like my schedule.
You wish. And then that was Monday through Thursday. And then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I worked out again after work to about 8 o'clock. I took another shower. By 9 o'clock, I had to be at Universal Studios to work till 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. And if it was like 10 fights, I'd be there till like 4 in the morning writing fucking incident reports. And then Friday, Saturday, and
Goofy food look like this will get laid out.
Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, I had to work 8 to 8 because I was a weekend general manager.
Is that ours?
No, at LA Fitness. So I'd get home like, on a good night, I'd get home like 2:30. Then I have to be up at like 7, be at the gym by 8, and then work till 8 o'clock, and then go to Saturday. Yeah, well, he's the one watching us.
But you had kids.
Yeah, and I still did it.
I don't have kids. I got myself.
I mean, you should
Even
work
more reason.
more.
Yeah, you should be working
I
hard.
don't have people depending on me.
That's
Yeah,
what.
but still.
You have to.
Yeah.
You,
What about when
you
rainy
have
days
discipline.
come? Huh?
Hey, look, listen, this is this. When you have kids, you gotta have these stories to tell them. Mija, when I was your age, I used to work one job. Ezie used to work us from 6 in the morning to 8 at
I'm
night.
not gonna be that parent.
I'm gonna go to the gym too, so after we're done potting, we'll go to the gym together. There's no excuse. I'm gonna go no matter what.
What happened to that 8 to 8?
But even your body was recapping. Look at it.
Yeah. Oh, look, Kentucky yellow.
Studious ass food.
Imagine it's the stomach. There used to be a guy, I'm not gonna say his name. He used to work at Sticker City. Princess ass food.
Where?
Some food that used to work at Sticker City. Princess ass food. He wouldn't let people, if you worked at your shop or at somebody's shop, you couldn't fucking play music because he couldn't hear himself cut. And I'd always be like, what do you mean you can't hear yourself cut? That's what he kept.
Oh.
So if you hear that, you're not cutting through the paint.
was your friend.
That's what you want to hear for you to know that you're not cutting all anything. So this fool would never let you fucking play music or anything. Boring ass fool.
Fool.
Why are you fucking grabbing my ass? Look. What the?
Why'd you just put that shit there?
I didn't.
Weird ass
I
fool.
took it off. He said, "Let me put this right there so I can have an excuse to grab his ass."
I know, I got that shit on video too.
I'll cut. I'll cut the paint though, fuck.
No, like Jacob?
I heard that little go. No, fool. You don't look like Jacob. You look like the guy that he used to work for.
No, but how much is your fit?
Damn, dog.
Huh? How much is your fit?
Shit,
How much for sure? How much for sure?
It didn't fit you, dog.
Hey,
That's for grown man, my boy.
he's getting the right angle.
How much on your wrist?
Look at a little 22 bands right here. You feel me? Look, read it. Little Rolex.
Only 36 payments of 250. Little afterpay,
Little affirm.
but fuck it.
Little affirm right here.
Little monthly payments. When are you gonna get yours, Easy?
After fucking...
Hey, it's gotta be our next purchase right here.
Y'all can tell me if it sucks, alright?
What?
Straight up.
Hey, y'all heard it here first. Contract just would make me my jingle, huh?
The intro song.
The intro song. Damn.
What does that suck? I'm going straight.
Nah, she's good, dog. Fuck with it. Told you. Let me use that shit for YouTube.
He copyrights us. Hey, do a trick. Do a trick, do a trick. Jeez. Put Easy on there.
Plug you in with this dog. He's got his own wheel line.
No, yeah, I know that.
They ain't believe in us, but you know who did? God did. They ain't think we can do this PPF, but you know who did? God did. Hey, did you forget to wrap these two?
What the
No, you fucking pulled it off. I didn't. You did?
Hey, it's pulled up.
Nah, he just forgot.
How you getting the bull, homie? You mess with the bull? Try to get the horn.
What the fuck? Salchicha.
Ya tú sabes.
What the fuck?
You wear my shirt?
Little salchicha.
Vicious wiener.
Hey, who do you think get the corners? Oh, be real. Be real, you're on camera. Who do you think did these corners?
I thought you guys did one on one side.
No.
Nah, I did it all. Wasn't an option, what kind of car would you get? If money wasn't an option. Not necessarily an option, but if you were like, alright, I can really go out there and get whatever I want.
Did I?
Dead ass, what would you get?
Go back to your one. He said. It's not hard.
Out of any car?
I'm always humble, that's why. We're at the
You mean Lambos or Cuba?
I'll go GT3 RS. You?
Probably go for a GTR.
I like the way it's
Yours. Yours. That's my favorite car. Yours or the S580?
It's about to get wet in 2 weeks.
When I saw that white one, that shit was hard.
Locked it in. Yeah. I had deposit today. Avery, satin, black, rock gray.
The Gams?
It's organic. We gotta fill the battery in this one.
Designing. Or
Like designing vehicle wraps or just designing?
designing in general.
Since high school? Who's fucking 39? 58.
Like what, like 15 plus years? 20?
Every year that we were in high school, or every year that he was in high school, since 9th grade, we did,
Those are old.
we used to have a t-shirt competition with all the schools in the district. You had to do everything from scratch. Design it, set up the files, set up your screens, print the shirt, like, and they graded you on like design, print quality, everything. For the 4 years that Carlos was in high school, San Fernando High School won that t-shirt competition every single year, took first place. For the 4 years that Carlos worked at the high school, even though he wasn't supposed to, they won the t-shirt competition first place every single year. Because he was so part of the program.
What was the prize? Like, what did they win? Or just
I think I don't know, they probably won like some money towards like the class, like the graphic arts department. But yeah, that fool won every single year. Fool's been designing. And then...
because he was next door and talking to the client. Yeah, that's how long you been doing this. He's like... like 20 plus years.
Yeah, at least, bro. That fool graduated in 02.
Damn. I was 2.
2002.
What color you doing?
Satin to match his trim, and then he wants red letters to match the car.
All the scraps, you just save them, huh?
Yo, that's money.
Hell yeah.
Don't throw away money.
Most places just throw all the little scraps away too.
They don't know what to do with it. That's the thing.
It's crazy once the plates became popular too.
And it's funny, somebody approached me this many years ago. I was like, wrap the plates. Like, this is back in 2010.
You're like, why would you do that?
I was like, I don't think that's legal. I didn't think about it.
I mean, it's the same thing as like tints. Tints isn't legal, but everyone's gonna do that shit anyways. At your own risk, like.
So nothing's trash. Everything gets reused.
It would be sick to make a video too of when you do the shirts, the easy ones.
Yeah.
That would be sick.
We break it
Like
down.
the whole process.
Dude, we got this. Let's sort this out.
Where'd you get those made?
Filipino connection.
You got them made here though, or
No. Back in the motherland.
they're clean?
They're very clean. Very clean. And I mean, I wish I could do American made shit, but it's just either too expensive or just not.
I had gotten some made too. I don't think I paid that much.
I just need to find somebody who can stitch proper.
Oh yeah, I did my own, like my neck labels. It was like a learning process. I fucked up like 10 shirts in the process. Like learning how to use my grandma's sewing machine.
My mom gave me hers.
My grandma was like right there showing me how to do that shit.
Dude, I should have learned many years ago, but I was like, nah. Sometimes the pressure changes from one to the other, depending on how it goes. And you get lucky sometimes if it's a simple letter. But if it's got 8s, 9s, and 6s,
Really?
they'll be off. Heck yeah, dude.
Shit.
Trust me.
I mean, I've definitely seen some where like they're off.
Oh, dude,
But-
they're off.
But I mean, like the fact that I feel like you do them so precise. I feel like they still would be good.
Well, because when I got into this, I basically taught myself how to do this
Yeah.
in the same manner that I've always done the process of everything else that I've done.
Yeah.
You know, precise measurements, cut. You know, measure 3 times and cut once. So, you know, having that already in my background, you know, there's no fucking copy and paste. It doesn't work that way.
Sure.
So that's why when you lay this down and it fits so tight and it looks good and pristine, yeah, no. Dude, I think we have a perfectionist mentality. You know, it has to be on point.
Unfortunately, my boy Eric had to go get his car washed because he has a video shoot at this. Next time, just call us. Just call us.
The first time it wasn't easy.
Bro. He called me. I can hear it in his voice. He was fucking pissed. He's always happy too.
I walked out. I said, "Yo, what's this?" I
What the?
said, "He said it's hot. Windows. I put my chemicals. It's like cold chemicals."
Nah, bro.
Man, I feel like you hit those ones or something.
Yeah, how does that even happen?
$3,500.
3,500.
That's it. You know, you guys gotta be careful.
Yeah, we can't have that. We can't.
Okay.
Three hours later.
Back in business. We back in business. It's easy again.
Bro.
Hey.
It's too fresh to tint. Okay. Alright, because if he starts putting pressure out, then he can pop the window out. Okay.
Leave it for how long we gotta leave that
As soon as you get to where you get to, take it off.
Okay, cool. Cool. Perfect. We good.
And then whatever day you need to tint it, let me know and I'll have him go out there either. As long as you have a garage, can you cook?
Yeah.
Perfect. You can do it at the garage. Alright, come over here.
Next week?
Yeah.
Alright.
I fuck with them
Let's go.
glasses.
Thank you. My God.
I like them glasses.
Little song, little spectacles.
Let me try. Can I try one real quick?
You got him, brother.
Hey. Hello?
Oh my
What you do?
head's too wide.
You got a big ass head.
What is it? Put on.
Too wide. It don't go on. Yeah, my head's too wide. I can't fit these. Wow, that's crazy.
Why? What do you mean?
It's too wide, my head from right here.
From head to eye track? She's a snap.
Oh no.
Like it that hard.
Yeah, my head's too wide. Yeah, my head's too wide from right here.
Nah, I'm gonna pull up. Like, alright, what we need to do? I ain't getting no stocks, but
Not stocks, but we can do a smaller
we can be the real moderation.
It's still a dope wheel. We get a dope wheel.
Yeah.
It's a smaller wheel, a little bit more meat on the tire.
Smarter.
Smarter. This was cool in like 2018. You know.
Easy tips. Stay tuned for more.
Alright, bro.
Don't wash your car anywhere else. Go ahead.
Alright, dog.
Later. Alright, bro. See you. Bye, man. You can. Boom. Alright, later.
Like, you want somebody to treat your car. These guys don't get it, bro. They're irresponsible. They're lazy. They cut corners. It could have been the tip of his gun. He might have not put it on right, and when he hit it with the water, it blew that tip and it cracked. You know what I mean? It could have been anything, but look. Times like this in heat, what they're supposed to do is when they're rinsing down the car with cold water, first of all, they should have called you and been like, yo, E, can you put the car in the shade? Number one. Number two, they could have popped the door or popped the window to let the moisture, the heat, because what happens when you hit it with the cold water, it creates moisture and then it flows and it, you know what I mean? Exactly. So first you have to close your windshield.
Next time. Keep me posted this week when you come.